Hi everyone, Laura here, and welcome back to Smart Kitchen. Today I'm making a light and fluffy pumpkin angel food cake. Let's get started. First, begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a 9 by 3 inch glass baking dish with non-stick spray so the cake releases nicely later. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 box of angel food cake mix with a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. This simple addition adds all those warm fall flavors instantly. Step 3. Add the canned pumpkin and stir until the batter is smooth and beautifully blended. You'll notice the texture becomes thick, creamy, and full of color. Step 4. Pour the batter into your prepared glass baking dish. Spread it evenly so the cake bakes uniformly. Step 5. Place the dish into a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. The cake will rise, become golden, and fill your kitchen with the most amazing pumpkin aroma. Step 6. Carefully remove the cake from the oven and let it cool completely at room temperature. This step is important. The frosting will spread so much better on a cooled cake. Let's make the frosting. Step 7. In a clean bowl, cream together softened butter and cream cheese until the mixture becomes light, smooth, and fluffy. Step 8. Add the vanilla extract and mix it in thoroughly. Step 9. Now gradually add the powdered sugar and a touch of cinnamon. Mix until everything is fully incorporated and the frosting becomes creamy, soft, and beautifully airy. Step 10. Once the cake is cool, carefully remove it from the glass dish and place it onto a large square serving plate. Spread the fluffy frosting across the top, covering the entire surface evenly. Step 11. Finally, cut the frosted cake into neat, even bars. Each piece will be soft, moist, and topped with that delicious cream cheese cinnamon frosting. Serve with a couple of fresh strawberries for a beautiful touch of color and enjoy. Thank you for watching Smart Kitchen Recipes. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the description for your free recipe ebook. See you in the next video, and happy baking!